a little mini. How are you gonna crawl? Look at you standing up. Hi, kitty. Do you want to straighten your pants out? Do you want to straighten your pants out? What? What are you doing, crazy hair? Oh. Are you going to crawl? Oh, we're just going to walk. Say no, Mama. I just want to walk. I'm a big girl. Look at your hair. You're going to sit? Yeah, let's sit. And then I'm crawling. Are you going to crawl? Come on, let's try it. Yeah. Come on. You got that part down, Pat. You're good with that. Yeah. Yeah, come see Mama. Come on. We have to show everyone how you do it. Oh, hello, Crinkly Cow. Hello, Crinkly Cow. Come on, baby girl. Come on, my baby girl. Oh. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? You see kitty? Where is she? Ah! Come on, little bunny. Really? Is that what you thought it was? That's funny. Oh, you crack me up. Let's get a close-up of that face. Hi. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you got the string. Good job. Yeah, that was funny. That was funny how you did that. Are you going to crawl? Say, cow, get out of my way. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come over here. Come on. Oh, the kitty thought that was for her. Hi, kitty. Yes, we love you too, Emma. Yes, we do. Do you love the kitty, Avery? You do. I know you do. Oh, she jumped. Hi, kitty. Here's Avery Madison. Not gonna happen, huh? Not gonna happen? No, you can't have that. You know, when your grandpa's hair gets long, it looks like that too. It does the rooster. Yeah. Look how let the grandpa look. Does it taste gross? Give the cow a pink belly. Go pink belly, pink belly, pink belly. Mm. Well, I think that's about as much as you're going to get today, huh? Yeah. You going to come to Mama?